This is a review on the Taurus Revolver. This is the Model 85 Polymer frame. Yes, it's loaded. It's always good to have a loaded gun. You never know when you're gonna be in a situation, and you'll be sorry you weren't loaded. This gun has a very good grip. All your fingers fit there, and the grip is very thick. Rubber. The recoil is very low. I would say 9mm compacts have more recoil. I would say this recoil is similar to of a full-size 9mm. It is a 5-shot. So far I've only shot maybe around 30 rounds through it. It does come with some keys to lock it. Lifetime warranty, of course, by Taurus. I got this holster, inside waistband holster. Fits perfect. I shot it at the range. I started at 10 feet to 25 feet. And at 10 feet, obviously it's pretty easy. Up to 25 feet for probably these here. That was double action. I forgot to try it single action, which would have been even more accurate. But I've heard it's better to practice double action for a self-defense situation. So far, those 40 rounds, the gun's been very good. The inside barrel there, I was noticing maybe it came out of round. I'm not too sure. I'm thinking because the plus P rounds probably had too much pressure and might have taken that barrel out of round. You could see it, pretty see it in there. I shot it and never gave me any problems, so it might not be something too important, but might send it out to Taurus, or I might take some more rounds through it, see how it acts up. If it doesn't give me any problems, then if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it does, accuracy or whatever, I'll send it over to them. It's lifetime warranty. For concealed carry, I highly recommend it. Yes, it's only 5 rounds, but I think that's more than enough to stop an attacker. You'll probably see research or studies show maybe only 1 to 3 shots were needed to stop an attacker. Other than that, it's very light. I think it's around 22 ounces unloaded. It's very light. Like I said, the grip is great. Like no recoil. And the holster feels very good. Doesn't show much. This is a plus P rated 38 special. So it could take the beating of plus P. I just shoot standard pressure, full metal jackets for target practice. But felt real good shooting it in the range. Highly recommend it. Like I said, you don't have nothing to worry with that